Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo? Magandang hapon. Invite Vintage to co-host now. Adawan. Thank you. So nagbigay nito, Sis Harita. Masarap guys. This is the first time na nag-eat ako ng Magnum na ganito ang flavor niya. Ano ba yan? Caramel. Green ang ano niya eh. Lagi kong kinakain yung binibili niya, ma'am. Classic na with nuts. Ito, hindi ko alam kung ano ba itong flavor. Parang caramel na Dollar Boy Raj 247 Ipman. Mag-invite daw ako ng co-host. I don't want. Ang masang loob. Parang green color siya. I don't know what is that. Kumusta guys? Marami kayong ampaw. Ako wala. Wala daw. I got 4. Only 4. Hindi ako nakapag-live kanina ng umaga because I never do my live today because I work out late. Like last night, these few days is keep raining, right? And then I wash a lot of bed sheets, the cover of the sofa, the clothes. Then everything is not dry. So then I still have a lot of clothes that need to wash. So what I do is, last night when I reach home, I never sleep. I iron all the clothes. Because when the clothes is not dry with the sunlight, the smell, right? So what I do is I iron it. Last night when I finished eating, then I done my thing, then I thinking, okay, never mind. I want to clear the kitchen because a lot of hanging clothes. So I thinking, okay, I iron all. Because when the clothes is not dry with the sunlight, got smell, right? So I iron it so that it won't be smelly. So I iron all the clothes. I finished like maybe 3:40 something like that. I finished in the morning. Then when I see the timing, and then I wash also some of the cover of the bed sheet, the bed sheet. I see the timing when I finish ironing all the clothes, the bed sheet. I iron. Then when I check the time, oh no, 3:43 already. I see, oh my goodness, how I can go exercise. I haven't slept yet. So what I do is, okay, I alarm 5 o'clock. I will try 5 o'clock wake up. But when my phone is alarm already, I'm still sleepy. Then, okay, never mind. I sleep again. Maybe later I go like 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Then I wake up 6 o'clock, I think. Then I still sleepy. Then I sleep again. After that, oh no, 7 going to 8 o'clock already. Okay. I get up already because my boss said they will come back today in Singapore. So I need to clean up, and then I woke up, and then I thinking, okay, I clean up first before I go out and do my exercise. So I clear out and do my exercise. So I sweep the floor, I mop the floor, then tidy up, and then when I'm done, then I go out and run in Yung Park. I also thinking whether I go run in Queenstown or I go run in Yung Park. But if I go run in Queenstown, it's far away. And how if my boss suddenly come back home and I'm not at home, then if they call me to help them take things or what, then I cannot run right away closer to my place. So I think, okay, never mind. I just run into Baro Park so that when they call me, then it's easy for me. Hi, Sahin Andreas. Hi, Kay. Thank you for watching my live today. Wala naman akong interesting topic na pag-uusapan. It's just like I miss my followers because today I never able to exercise and do my live. So I just, okay, I never do anything. So while I'm eating my ice cream, I can do my live and I can talk to you guys. While I'm talking, my ice cream is melting. Today, I'm not off. I'm working. Why? Danos, you say to me that you have so many problems in your life. What is that problem? What kind of problem? Is it love life? Is it family problem? Are you married? Huh? I also have a problem, but luckily, God is good. I still can survive. just don't mind the problem. Luckily, I got my very good family. My sister, my brother, my mom, my father, always with me. I'm grateful for that. I got my work. I got a good boss. I got a lot of friends around me, which is good to me. When I'm hungry, they will feed me. you, you know, you know this pig mouth of Jocelyn Balab. Always ask food. So thinking I see the picture last time when that was 2019 or 2020. My picture when I go exercise also. And then I see my picture, wow, my stomach here is flat. It's like I admire my stomach because so flat. Then now I see my stomach. Oh my goodness, this is still in Balaba. Your stomach is not flat at all. The stomach is so fat. Right. When you are getting old, you are getting fatter. Getting fatter daw. Tama ba yung word ko? When we are getting older, we are getting bigger, right? That's what I realize now. Last I miss my 20s. My 20s, my stomach is flat. My 30s is getting bigger. You cannot control it. I also thinking I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat. But something like, okay, you eat. And then most of my friend is very kind to me also. Whenever they got food, Jocelyn, come here, makan. And then I very fast go also. You remember that? Of course, I remember that. Namiss ko na si Disturb. Kumusta na kaya si Disturb? Disturb! Where are you? How many live I do and then you never come to my live? Disturb must be very, very busy. Shout out Disturb. Happy Chinese New Year. Yung chocolate na stuck sa teeth ko. You never tell me, what is your problem? You doing exercise from when? I start exercising since 20, I think it's since 2017. But I never get fit. I never get fit. I get fat. And that's what I get when exercising. I don't care. It's just that, okay, I exercise, then maybe my shoulder, my arms will not loosen. My skin will not loosen. It's never mind fat. As long as my skin is not loose. I become like firm a bit, like that. Never mind fat. Because I cannot hide my fat anymore. Yes, because I come to my boss. This boss I start working with my boss is 2015. And then whenever like everyone go outside already, like my boss go work, the kids go school, then I'm alone at home. Then I thinking maybe I should exercise. At first I do exercise inside the room, like I watch the YouTube and do the exercise. Then after that I realized, oh, maybe it's better to do exercise outside. So it's like, okay, I go outside this time. Then if my boss complained that why I go outside to do exercise, then I will not go out. But when my boss noticed that I go out for exercise, it's like, okay, you can go and exercise. Then that's the time I started to do my exercise whenever I got some chance. Okay, noted. What is that? Love life? When I start exercising, I'm thin. I'm like stick. Then now old already, become fat. Become fat already. Going to 40 already lah. That's my grandmother Jocelyn Balaban. You know, sometimes I thinking how I'm going to grandmother already na. So I always tell to my two kids. I always tell to my son and daughter, you don't go get boyfriend and girlfriend na. I don't want to be grandma very fast. I tell, because my son is going to 20 years old, you know, and then my daughter going to 18 years old. Then if they got boyfriend and girlfriend already, then how? Who knows? I'm gonna grandmother. I don't want. So that's why I always tell them, don't get boyfriend. Focus on your study. I don't care. You can get how many boyfriend, how many girlfriend you want when you finish study. I don't want to be grandma already. I don't want yet. Anyway, I got a lot of white hair already hiding. But still, I don't want my kid to be like me. Like, I get pregnant, no plan. I'm not ready for anything. Like, oh, I suddenly get pregnant, and then when I got my job, when I got my own money, my own earning, I cannot do anything with my own money because my money is not for myself. My money is for my kid already. Once you get kid, once you get baby, your earning is not yours anymore. So I don't want that happen to my kids. I want them to enjoy their life. So I always tell them, study hard, work hard, earn money, enjoy what you want to do in your life. Buy what you want, eat what you like, go holiday anywhere you like. I will not ask your money, your earning. It's up to you. You want to give me, it's okay. If you don't give me, it's okay. I will find my own way how to survive. I want my kid to be happy and they can do whatever they want when like they study finish, they work, they get their own money. Unlike me now, you see, I work how many years in Singapore? It's like, oh, I work and work. And then my money every time send to Philippines. When I want to buy something for myself, it's like, okay, never mind. Save the money first. So that when I need the money, I can have my money. I have money to use. You cannot go anywhere and you cannot do what you want. You cannot buy anything what you want because you're only thinking, oh, save your money, Jocelyn. Because one day you need your money and your kid asks you money and you got no money. How? So like that. I'm working in Singapore like 16 years. Imagine 16 years. 16 years. If I got ano daw? You're so ano daw? Ano yun? I don't know what you're talking. My ice cream is melting because I took so much. So I really try my best to tell my son and daughter, make your life better than mine because my life is it's not that so bad my life, but it's just like I cannot enjoy what I want because I must always prioritize my kid. Diba? You are a mother, so be a mother. You are a mother, so be a mother. Eat the ice cream. Ha? Ano daw yun? It's melting. I still later going to drop already. Paano ba malaman ilang minutes na yung live ko? Oh, 18 minutes pa lang. This week wala akong wala pa akong earning this week. Kasi wala si Disturb. Tuwing mag-live ko, wala si Disturb. Wala akong earning. Last week, I earned $5. Then I buy ice cream. Hi, Fausan! Shout out. How are you? No work today? You no work today? It's holiday today, right? Oh, no. You got a lot of ang pao? I only have 4. $10, $10, $10. Tomorrow also you're off. So good. You know how you don't have? Your boss is not Chinese? Huh? I'm so envy with my friend. You know my friend her ampao is 1 month salary. Oh my gosh. I see. How I wish mine also. But I'm just telling myself it's okay, it's all right. You still blessed of other thing. Maybe the God bless her in that way, but also God bless me in other way. I'm just thinking like that. I also wish. Why your boss never give you ang pao? Your boss is not Chinese. Going to finish already. Go ask ang pao na. My boss gave me before she go to Malaysia, and then I thought that last time every year my lady boss give me like every year she give me $20. I how many years working to her? Every year she give me $20. But you know, I'm just thinking it's okay na. I have don't complain, Josie. Your boss is so good to you already. I just think in that way because it's like new for me because my first boss here in Singapore is like every Chinese New Year. Every Chinese New Year, my sir my mom give me like $100. Then it's different also the grandma or the grandpa give me also. The grandma will give me and then the grandpa also will give me. And then when your boss is got kid, you will visit other places. Then when they give to the kid, they will give you also. Then it's like every Chinese New Year in my first boss, I can get more money because my salary and then my ampao like that. Then when I come in this boss, it's like $20 only die. But the thing is, okay, I can get more money in that boss, my first boss, when every Chinese New Year. But the thing is like my first boss, I have a lot of work there because the house there is until third floor, and then got a lot of work because got grandmother, grandfather watching you. Once you finish this work, you have to thinking what I should do next. You need to find because you cannot sit down. You know there and my first boss they are good lah, but the thing is you cannot just once you finish cleaning or what, you cannot relax. You cannot, unlike here in my boss second one is once I'm done what I need to do, they are not around. If I want to chill and relax like this talking to you, then I can talk. But my first boss, no. Somewhere there also, when it comes to handphone, you are not allowed to keep using handphone when working time. They can see you there because got grandma and grandpa, then The grandma and grandpa keep watching you. But when Chinese New Year, when December, when December I got bonus. When Chinese New Year, I got bigger ampao there. Because I also very tired every day there. Very tired. Like, I always looking outside. When going to nighttime. Last time I very good, because for first boss, you are still good girl because everything you listen to your boss, everything you must do nice, and then everything must like you first time you come to your boss, you must be good, you must everything listen to your boss, and then no handphone. Last time also I'm not always like on phone. Every day I keep looking outside. When it's going to nighttime, it's so long, when you wait the timing. Wow, so long. I wipe every corner already. What else I need to do? Every time you must thinking what next to do. You cannot sit down and relax. My first boss like that. Then here, no many ampao, but I can relax. I get freedom when I want to go down buy something or meet my friend, or I want to take something from my friend. My boss allow me. My first boss, I don't have my own house key. I cannot go out anyhow. Like, I don't have my own key. Then I cannot exercise there. I don't have freedom there. Here, no many ampao. But I have freedom here. Once I finish my thing, okay, I can do what I want. As long as I finish my work, I finish my things. Even my boss is at home also. Because usually when your boss is at home and he's around here, and then you are sitting only, and then you never do your work, or you're like shy like that, right? But me is not. It's like, okay, I'm finished already my thing, then I can sit down now. My first boss, I cannot do like this, Like, okay, I finished wiping the wall, wiping the window. I must find what to do. It's very hard. And then you keep looking outside. Lord, please. I want to be nighttime already. Then I can stretch my back and I can lie down and I can rest and I can sleep already. I always like that when I was in my first boss. What is that? When some lose some. When some lose some. Yes, that's right. That's life. So if you are in a negative side, you must think in positive side, because everything has a reason. Everything has a reason. It's not everything is okay. What you want, you got it. I'm finished my ice cream. So how? I'm gonna eat my life, or you still want to talk to me? Wala naman si Disturb din. Walang tagabigay ng heart. And I only have 29 hearts. When Disturb is here, I got 1,000 hearts. You know what this? Nagpaparinig. Salamat, Paos. Makapalit na kong pantian ni Paos. I'm just kidding. You know, go $1 underwear why in the market. But you cannot put in the washing machine. You must hand wash it so that it will not break. You know, this Sumona. This guy, Sumon, the time he come to my life also. He tell me that you don't believe that disturb, okay? Because what oh you know, he say many things to me that don't get attached with disturb, even he's good to me, he gives many gifts in my life or what. And then I tell him, why you must say all these things? You never even give me gifts in my life, and then you must say all these things to me. because he see he's jealous. I say, why would you jealous? This disturb also never even inbox me in my inbox, you know. He is just being nice guy to me. And then he say, he's Singaporean and you don't believe Singaporean. And he talking many things. And then now I block him already. Because when you know when the time I do live, right, and then one guy come to my live, and then this guy is very rude and very mean, and then tell me this thing, oh, what. Then I'm so angry already. All the guy that chat to me, all I don't care you anymore. I don't care you anymore. I just realized, okay, that's what you're thinking of me, huh? See, I'm gonna do this. Hi, sister. Hi, Anna. Thank you for following me. I follow you back, Anna. Thank you for following me. You know, sometimes I'm wondering, you know, because okay, this time my followers is 3,220. Later on, my followers become 3,215. What happened to the 5%? They just suddenly gone. I say, huh? What happened to them? Or maybe they just unfollow me again. It's like, huh? Why does people like this want to follow me and then unfollow me? You don't want to follow me, don't follow! Why must be following me and later on you unfollow me? I don't like it because I'm happy already because I increase my followers. And then later on become lower again because some of you unfollow me. It's like change my feelings. Or later on I'm so happy. After that when I see my followers become lower, then I'm so, why? It's like, huh? How come become lower again my followers? Okay, I follow you back already. Danos. You know, when my mood is good, then okay, I follow back some of you. when my mood is good, okay, I follow back. But if not, then I just don't care. I don't care. But it's just like, okay, I want to follow, I will follow. But I'm not the person that okay, I follow you and then later on I unfollow you. I'm not like that. I don't like it. Even in Facebook or even in YouTube, like some people, because you know last time I also have YouTube channel. I the first social media that I monetize is my YouTube channel. I work hard for my YouTube channel, and now I stop it already because I monetize. It's just last time when I'm not monetized, I work hard for it so that I will monetize. Like, wow, I always sleep late. And then every time I must go to other people YouTube channel to support, to subscribe their channel so that they will subscribe my channel also. Every time I sleep late, I sleep late. Every night I sleep late so that I can earn my subscriber. And then some of the people also there is like that. Okay, I subscribe you this time. Then afterwards, unsubscribe again. I say, huh? How come you got this kind of mindset? You subscribe already. Why would you unsubscribe again? Like you follow already. Why you must unfollow already? Because I don't like it. I really don't like it. You don't want to follow, don't follow. It's like you follow already and then later on you unfollow. It's not nice for me. I don't like it because my feelings is okay, I'm so happy that somebody follow me. Then afterwards I'm not happy already because it lesser my followers. Ha? Using fun? Anong using fun? Ay, 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 ay. You don't like the fun. How many minutes already in my life? Thank you for my 1 gifters and 1 followers and 164 viewers. I really appreciate your time, guys. And again, I get someone to talk to here in my life. And luckily, today's live, nobody is rude, nobody is mean, and I enjoyed talking to you, all of you guys. Thanks for listening, and thank you for talking to me. And thank you for the 172 hearts. I appreciate that. I'm not zero today. Ah, diba? Meron akong 2 rose, right? Because of Paos. Because Disturb is absent for how many days? I think 3 days, 2 days. I also absent for how many days in exercise? Ano daw? Ano daw? Anna, are you a girl? Wow, you have a lot of followers. 1,397. Ilang minutes na ako nag-live? 38 minutes. Okay, tomorrow I will try my best because tomorrow is school day, so I must go exercise earlier. So I will sleep early tonight so that I can wake up early. I miss to do my exercise and do my live, guys. Namimiss ko kayo kapag hindi ako makapag-live sa exercise ko. It's like I'm used to it already that I exercise and the same time I do my live. Be happy always. Yeah, be happy always. Luckily, nobody rude today. I'm thankful for that because all of you is good listener. Good listener daw. Make sure no rain in the morning. Yeah, I hope so. No rain. Because if go rain also, I cannot go. Hi, Amar. You know, Amar, I'm not pretty for real. It's a filter only. Thank you, filter, kasi gumanda ako. Gumanda sa filter ba? Nailad mo. You know, the moment the guy tell me like that, all the people that chat to me, and then I'm being nice to them, and when they chat to me, then okay, I chat to them also. Then all of them I block already. I know that they thinking, okay, I block them in the WhatsApp. Then they go to the TikTok. Why you block me? What did I do wrong? They ask me, what did I do wrong? Why you block me? It's like one person say something, then everyone, I don't want to talk to all of you. You know the lady that I make new friend last night. She's like, so last night she's so scared, like, I never talked to you last night. I went to Chinese garden, right? Then I called my friend Kuni to go with me, because I also thinking that this is the first time I went to Chinese garden in the nighttime. I usually go in Garden by the Bay or Merlion Park in nighttime. If I get chance, then I go there, like I go running there. But this time is my thinking is I really want to go Chinese garden, because I never experienced go there in nighttime. I want to see how it look like, or maybe got something interesting, new place. So I think, okay, I want to go there because it's Chinese New Year also. Then I call Connie to go with me, because I thinking Chinese garden is big, right? And then got some places also there is like scary. Then got a river there. And then if you walk alone, later got somebody pull you and hide you. Then how? So I call my friends to go with me. Then my friend also make alibi to, I feeding the grandma. I cannot go yet. So I call Mudra also to go with me. She never answered me, and I texted her, can you go with me in Chinese garden? Then she never reply me. She's sleeping. Then she messaged me like 11 something p.m. She say, oh Jo, sorry, because when you texted me, I'm sleeping. And then I say, yeah, I know already that you are sleeping, because I'm not used to it. Every time I text her or call her, she will answer me. Then last night, I texted her, I call her, she no respond anything. So she must be sleeping, because I know she's tired. But past few days, she always busy and do the thing. So I just, okay, never mind. I just being brave myself. Because I really want to go, and I don't have any other chance to go there at night time. So the last night, okay, I get chance. Never mind, I go alone, my own self. Then when I reach there, I see already a lot of guys, like Indian guys. Some also is drinking or what. And then I thinking whether I go or maybe I just go back. But just thinking, I here already. Then if I don't go, I'm just wasting my time and my chance, right? So okay. I think it's still a lot of people. Then I just go. Then I faster go and then take video like that. Then I faster because I say I must faster, then I can faster go back home, right? Because I'm alone, you know. Then when I going out already in the Chinese garden, the entrance, got one lady call me. She say, then that path is like so dark, and then she's alone also walking going to the entrance. Me, I'm going to exit. She's going to go in. And then she see me. And then she say, Miss, excuse me, Miss. She say like that. Then she say, can you stay with me for a while? I just want to take picture of the, the big tower on the top. Then she take picture also very far away. Then she just take picture like that. And then I say, why you must take picture here? And then the thing is there. How you can take a nice picture? I say like that. Then I say, okay, I see the time is like 10 o'clock only. And then I wanted to go home faster and earlier because the dog is alone at home. So it's like, I feel what she feel, because she went to go in and then she's so scared and then nobody with her. So it's like, okay, you stay for me for a while only. I just take one picture of this thing. Then I go with you, go home already. And then she said to me like that because she's scared of there's one guy following her. She said like that. Then I say, okay. Then I say, and then she say, okay, I take picture one time only, then we go home. I say, you already here, and then why you want to go home now? You just go there and take picture more. I say like that. Then I will take picture if you go with me. She said like that. And then I thinking whether I go with her or not, or I go home already because I thinking of the dog. Then I say, I thinking, okay, never mind now. I go in again. I go with her again because I also feel what she feel like. I'm so scared to go in. And then some more she go there very late already. Like she reached there in 10 p.m. already. And then most of the people going back home already. Then it must be scary more if she go in alone and then she's alone, they're walking. And then some of the thing also closed already. Then I say, okay, I go follow you and then I take picture of you. So I just click faster. Then I ask her to go in the places that I go and then take picture with her. And then I ask her, okay, you give me your WhatsApp and then I send to you all the picture. I just use my iPhone to take picture of her. She come to Singapore. It's like I ask her, why you never ask your friend to go with you and then like take picture of you, can take picture of you, and then nighttime already. Then you come here also so late. I say like that. Why you come here so late? You must come here earlier, then allow people. Even if you're alone, you come here. It's not scary because allow people. As long as you don't go to the places that like no people, because later you don't know. People will grab you and kidnap you. How you don't know. Right. And then I say, why you come out 10 o'clock already? It's late already. Of course, the thing also must close already. Then we never able to go up to the thing because the thing is closed already. You know, got two tower, look like temple like that. The thing is closed already. We cannot go and take picture. But before that, I able to go in and take picture myself. But when she come, we cannot go up and take picture because it's closed already. But she's a nice lady, you know. And then I asked her, how old are you? She say, 38 years old. I say, you're 38 years old? I'm also 38, but I'm going to 39. And then I said, are you married? Then she say, no, I'm not married. And then I say, why? You're 38 already. You know, I got 2 kids already, and then you're not married. You know, because I know Indian, you cannot have kids without married, right? So I asked her, so meaning she's not married, so meaning she don't have any kids. Then I tell her, I got 2 kids already, you know, and then my kids is big already, and then you is 38 already, and you don't have any kids. Then she said, no, I don't like to get married because you get married, you know, you need to spend a lot of money, and then you need to give birth and take care of the kids, and then blah, blah, blah. So many things you need to do. And then it's good I'm not married because you can enjoy. You can do whatever you want to do. She said like that. She come to Singapore to study 3 months. Last time she working, but maybe her company asked her to study. And then she come here 3 months in Singapore to study. Then after that, she will go back again to Sweden. Sweden, I don't know. Sweden. She say she's from Sweden, but she's Indian. And then maybe she study in Sweden or she work in Sweden. And then she come to Singapore to study. After 3 months, she go back to Sweden. And then I talk so much. I just realized I talk so much. But I love talking to her because she also nice person. It's like I'm not shy talking to her because sometimes when you meet someone you got this feeling that okay, I love talking to her. Then some people you meet them it's like you don't like talking so much to her because you feel like maybe you are not compatible or you are not comfortable with her or with him. But I like talking with her with her. Like, oh, I'm investigating and then I tell her, why you never get married? I just don't like get married. Then she says she got boyfriend. Like she got boyfriend in India. Like they are 10 years already. Then the boyfriend asked her to get married. But she tell the boyfriend, I don't want to get married yet. Or maybe I don't want to get married yet. Or I don't want to get married. She say like that. Then how if your boyfriend fine? Luckily your boyfriend is still waiting for you. Never find other woman to get married because when your age already when you 30 plus already it's not good to give birth. And mostly of the guy want to have kid because who will continue the how to say who will continue the surname of the family of the guy o diba. That's the purpose of the guys. They want the wife to give birth to have son or daughter, mostly son, right? Because the son is the one will carry the surname. Then she say, no lah, she in love with he in love with me. He say he will wait or what? He say like that. I say, wow, you're so lucky, ah. Okay, kayo naman ang mag-talk. I talk so much but you never talk. Shout out, Bernadette. Marami namang ampaw dyan. Asa na, sumilip lang. Ilang minutes naman yung live natin? 261, 2 new followers, and 1 gifter. Thank you, everyone. Okay, your turn to talk. I give you chance. What you want to talk? Mag-quiet muna ako for a while. Zip the mouth. But she still want to meet me again. She say, okay, see you next time. I hope I can meet you again before I go back to Sweden. She say like that to me. You can talk. Your turn to talk. Faster. Yeah, I will zip my mouth. Your turn to talk. You can tell me about your angpao. How many angpao you take? How many angpao you receive? I get 4 only. $10, $10, $10. Anyway, nice hear the stories. I also don't know that I can meet her last night and make friend last night. I almost asked her, because she say, I really don't like Indian guy. She tell me like that. Then I almost asked her like I wanted to ask her, huh? Why you don't like Indian guy? You are Indian woman. I almost asked her, because she said, this Indian guy is not nice. She say like that. She say, it's very scary, the Indian guy, because, sometimes only they can see girls. And then once they see the girls, then they can do bad things, like this, like that. She say like that. And then I say, huh, really? I say, I also say like that. Then I really want to ask her like, huh? You're Indian lady, and then how come you don't like Indian boys? She say to me, that the Indian guy is not nice. But she got Indian boyfriend. But maybe the Indian boyfriend may be nice. But really last night, she really very scared when she approached to me. When she asked me, can you stay with me? Please, please. She said like that. It's like she asked me, you cannot say no already. The way she asked you, you cannot say no. So I no choice. Okay, I go with you. Because I feel like, okay, this is my feeling when I ask my friend to go with me, but my friend don't care me. Like, I asked my friend Connie to go with me because I really scared to go alone there. Because I know Chinese Garden is big, and then also nighttime already. And then you cannot assure that all the places is bright, got lights. So I asked this Connie, you go with me na, because nobody with me, and then I scared there because I never this is my first time go there nighttime, so I scared to be alone. But luckily I still brave. I can go. I never when I reach in the MRT station, I see already so many Indian guy. So many guys already. I thinking, even I'm still inside the MRT there, I see many Indian guy already. And then when I go down the MRT station, so many guys already. Some of them is drunk. Then I scared already. Then I thinking whether I go or not. Then I also thinking, if I don't go, then I go back. I waste my time of coming for what? Then I go home. And then I just think positive. I say, maybe not scary lah. Still so many people. I must not go to the places that no people. I must go to the places, the part that have people. Then that's the thing I thinking. Then okay, I can go. Bring you to jungle. Bring you to jungle. Jungle like where? Change the topic. What topic you want? Okay, you are the one talk this time. I'm tired already, my mouth. I'm tired of talking. Your turn. Okay. What you do yesterday? You tell me. Where you go? What you do? Do you get a lot of Ampaw. Tell me na. You are just being quiet. Yesterday, raining. But nighttime is not raining already, right? Yeah, yesterday daytime is raining. So yesterday you're just at home? Nighttime is not raining already. I go to Chinese garden walking. I never use umbrella. My place is here in Hablak. But yesterday I go to Chinese garden. It's not raining. I never even use umbrella. Oh, it's raining there. So the whole time you're at home? You never go out? Ah, you still working? Is in why you working? Then you must have double pay or triple pay. Because it's holiday and you are working. Hi Brian James. Hi Sanjiwa. Hi Monar. The Maul. Danos, do you go anywhere yesterday? Or you are just sleeping? It's nice to sleep yesterday because it's raining. I also sleep. I go up to eat lunch in my friend's house, right? After I go down, then what I do? Afterwards, I sleep already. Because the other night also I sleep late. So I thinking, okay, I take a nap. Then when I wake up, I go to Chinese garden. Oh, Dining, never go out. You never met your girlfriend? Design of components. Ano kaya yun? I'm doing some design of components. Thank you for the hearts. Why you don't have girlfriend? Luckily, I'm single. You're single also. Danos, you're single. And then Farhan, you're single. So many of you single. How long that you are single? 1 year, 2 years, months? Me, I break up with my boyfriend last June. I break up with my boyfriend. Then here also in TikTok. Last time, I don't use TikTok because I don't like. I like Facebook. So every day I upload in Facebook everything. And then this Meta kill me already in Facebook. After this Meta kill me in the Facebook, then I come to TikTok. And I also don't know, what I do that this Meta deactivate my account. All my memories in Facebook, everything I upload there. Every day what I do, I upload there. Because this Meta, everything, every time she will ask you to do like a lot of things, and then I just, okay, this today you must upload 2 video, 1 picture, or like this, like that. This Facebook, you need to do this, do that, then you can get something. Then I also follow everything I do every day, like every time I upload. And then when I got a lot of views already, he just deactivated my account. I got $50 also in my account, I'm just wasted it. I cannot open anymore my Facebook. So now I open new one. I'm so sad. And then now I become lazy to do my Facebook already, wasting my time and energy. Are you kidding me, Farhan? Yeah. Last time really I'm addicted in Facebook. It's like maybe if Facebook never deactivated my Facebook, I'm still in Facebook now. Now I'm here in TikTok. My life is in TikTok already. It's like, okay, I love TikTok now, then I keep uploading in TikTok. Last time, I like the Facebook every time, whatever I do, where I go, every time I upload in Facebook. Then after that, this Meta deactivate my account. I'm so angry, I also don't know. He said to me that because of children sexualization, something like that. And then I never even upload anything about children that sexualization, That time I went back home to Philippines when my brother is I attend the wedding of my youngest brother. Then this my youngest brother got daughter. And then one of my cousin, I think, uploaded the picture of the daughter of my youngest brother. And then she tagged me. Then when I come back here in Singapore, all of us deactivate the account, Me, my son, my daughter, my sister-in-law, my brother. Because she tagged us. So all of us, our Facebook, we cannot open. Until now also I cannot open. Even I submit something to Meta because I want to retrieve my account, but I cannot. She cannot. I so angry this Meta, because I never do anything wrong, and then deactivated my account. Oh, kayo naman na magsalita. I'm tired of talking. I'm tired of talking. Farhan, talk. Why you don't have girlfriend? Tell me. When is the last time you got girlfriend? Okay, I'm gonna interrogate you. Where is all your girlfriend? Farhan and Danos. Danos, how many years you're working in Singapore? You really don't have any girlfriend here? How come? Wow, I'm busy with works. Then you have a lot of money already now because you work and then don't need to spend money because when you got girlfriend, of course, You must date your girlfriend, and then you must buy something for your girlfriend, then your girlfriend will be happy. If no girlfriend, no expenses, right? You can save money. Oh, di ba? Huh? It's like you same me. You come here 2000 what? What year? I come here 2010. Yes, madam. Wow. No time for girls. Sana all. Really? You're so good, ah. Oh, I come first because I come here 2010 June. So after that, you come 2011. Then 2011, then how many girlfriend you got? I'm just kidding, okay? You get any girlfriend since you come here? It's impossible. No girlfriend.